There are things that are kind of a given. So you want a course that has good content, that's specialized for AFK, that gives you the right material so that you don't have to do more research, that discusses all the questions and helps you answering questions, that has mock exams and mock exams that represent the actual exam. Things that not all courses do. So we provide these, for example, online lectures are recorded so that if you missed any lecture, you could make that up at home. Also, even if you didn't miss the lecture, you could watch the lecture at home. So it's like almost you're taking the course twice when you take it with us. Also, you want experienced instructors that could help you understand the concepts that have been through it before. I think those are some main features. Now, some bonuses could be if there's quizzes, online quizzes. We have that. We offer online quizzes and also an online forum, which is online support basically for all our students. So if they have any question one day at home, they could post a question on the forum and one of our instructors would answer. And also our students could review all the discussions that have happened before on the forum. That's all, good features, main features that you want to find in the course, and we focus on providing that. But one thing that is probably even, that's kind of on the same level of importance is how you feel, the chemistry with the instructor and how you feel about the instructor. So it is important that you feel comfortable with the course, that you feel that you could trust this instructor. If you go into a course feeling that you can't trust this instructor, it's just going to be, you're always going to have these doubts. And that's not something negative about the instructor or the student. It's just sometimes there's this chemistry and this interaction. So even me, if I feel like a student is not comfortable, then I would rather have students that are comfortable and trust, and that builds a very nice environment. Here at Scholars, we try to keep the environment very friendly. There's a lot of interaction in class, questions back and forth. If someone asks me a question, I'm always happy to answer and discuss it with them. And I understand where most of these questions come from, because I've been in that position where I was questioning things. So I understand it completely. I don't take it lightly, and I want to make sure everybody gets it. Everybody understands the content as best as possible. So those are some things I think you want to look into a course. You want to look some features that you want when you're looking for a course.